Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create a Google Form questionnaire through Google Forms. So first of all, you have to open your browser and open a new tab and search for Google Forms here and click enter. As you can see, here is the Google Form. You can also open the Google app from here, and you can just select and open Google Forms. So after opening the Google Forms, you can see there are multiple options like contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt sign up, event registration and all. And you can just we have to just simply click on the blank from here. As you can see, there is some, three questions here like questions, responses, settings and all. And on the upside we can see customize theme, preview, undo, redo, and copy corresponder link and share. And we have to just firstly rename the form. So let's name the form as questionnaire. Questionnaire. And after that, as you can see, the form name is changed here, and we can give a form descriptions. So for that, let's go to ChatGPT and search for a demo questionnaire. Demo questionnaire to make in Google Form. So it will give me that questionnaire title, and here as you can see questionnaire title like personal information, full name and all. So let's copy the form descriptions like general feedback survey. And after that, you can add multiple questions like you can add a question like here like survey question like how satisfied are you with our services. So let's just copy it here from here, and after that we'll just keep the questions only, and we can do it on italic from also like this one. And you can choose the multiple choice check boxes drop down. You can also upload a file. You can give a section like for short answers, and a section like for paragraph. You can also add linear scale. You can also add rating, multiple choice grid, check box grid, and date and time. So let's just give like very satisfied one, very satisfied. And if we give the other option like very dissatisfied like this one, and you can turn on the recur option. You can just duplicate the question from here, and after that you can as you can see you can also add another one. For that the options are here like as you can see you can the audiences can just check 1 2 3 4 5 on the uh, satisfaction level of them. And we can also add other questions like how likely are you recommended to by a friend or colleague. Like let's copy this question from here and type the questions here and select italic and bold also. And after that you can just click on check boxes drop down multiple choices. Let's go with checkbox, and let's just let's very likely add other like let's somewhat likely. We can just somewhat likely. And next, the neutral one, let's copy this and paste it here. And after that, let's somewhat unlikely, let's paste it here also. And the last one should be very unlikely. And that's it. We can just keep it like here and add another form. Like we can just delete option 6 and other options from here. As you can see, how likely are you recommended to recommend us to a friend or colleague? Very likely, somewhat likely, neutral, somewhat unlikely, very likely. So I have just shown you how you can build a questionnaire with Google Forms. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.